To make 3 by 4 centimeter photo for ID, passport, visa, driving license or else on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app, open the record photo, tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. While you are on the adjustment photo section, tap the ratio icon below the photo. Make sure to select portrait orientation and then select 3 by 4 as the ratio. If needed, you can adjust the selected area by dragging a corner of the frame and move it until it fits with your need. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.